All of a sudden, the colors on your RGB strip do not correspond to the colors of the buttons you press on the remote. You press the blue button on the remote and the strip goes red. You press green button on the remote and the yellow color comes up on the strip. The fix is really simple. I will be using my smartphone as a virtual remote, but this fix also works on a regular hardware remote control unit. So basically you have to turn on the strip, press any of the incorrect colors button, for instance the upper one red. After that, press the off button on the remote to turn off the RGB strip, and while it is off, press the smooth button on the remote. Smooth button only exists on relatively small remotes. On the bigger and more complicated remotes, this button is labeled Fade 7. So when you press this Smooth or Fade 7 button while the strip is off, it will blink for a while. After that, turn on the strip again, press the same incorrect color button again, in this case the upper red one. The color will be different now from what was initially, and if the color is still not the correct one, turn off the strip again, press Smooth again, wait for the strip to blink, then turn it on again and press the red button again, rinse and repeat this process until the color matches. When the color matches for a single button, repeat this process, which do not correspond to the correct light on the RGB strip, until they do.
I am the god of YouTube.
Like, subscribe, thanks, jingle bells.